Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special treat for all you bargain hunters. If you like toying around with clones and like those deals out there on chainsaws and all those fun toys, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Yes, you read that right. It's top secret chainsaw stuff. If that sounds interesting to you, stick around. Let's get to unboxing this saw. Ready? Anybody guess what it is yet? 5 Series Husqvarna clone. You know it. This is another product of Neotec, and they're very innovative. I love the company. To let you know, great service, just great all-around company. And this is no exception. So let's see what we got in the box. We got the manual. I heard these were pretty cool if you like reading. Mixing pot. These are actually pretty cool for like on the run, because it has the mixing table back here with the ratios. So anyway, kind of cool. You get the chainsaw accessories. You know, you guys have seen this all. If you haven't, look in the last video of Neotec products or my playlist. You know, it comes with all this good stuff. Well, same stuff. I mean, real nice stuff in there. That's how Neotec does it. Comes with safety glasses. It comes with gloves too, but I'm not sure where they're down there too. You know what they look like, they're gloves. And this also comes with a chain. This all comes, I verified that this comes with a bar and a chain in the box if you buy this saw. So there's a chain. Pull this saw out and I'll show you the bar. Here's the bar. Neotec Speed Pro guide bar. So obviously with the size, I have big hands, but obviously the size of this, you can tell this is a trim saw. But look, it does have everything like a pro model bar. I'm telling you guys, these bars are nice, and so are the chains. They're real heavy duty. You know, sprocket nose. They're really nice bars. I'm not kidding you. I would not lie to my people. This is 050. I'm sure it's 325 pitch. Yeah, 325. So 050. Giving you guys the dessert before you eat your meat and potatoes. The power head. What you see here is the Neotec NH843. Still don't know what that is, do you? Okay, I'll tell you. Let's prop it up here so you can see it. I don't even see that very good or not. Yeah, there you go. This is the Neotec NH843, which is the clone of the Husqvarna 543 XP. This is a 43cc chainsaw, like a trim saw, a professional grade. This is a pro model saw, guys. It's around 3 horsepower total. Now this is a stratified chainsaw. It's one of the first stratified chainsaws out on the clone market as well. Which, if you don't know what stratified saw versus non-stratified, a stratified chainsaw, Husqvarna calls their stratification X torque. they've developed a way to cut emissions and fuel consumption through the intake, and then in through the cylinder and out the exhaust. Again, Husqvarna calls that X-Torque, and that's what Neotec has modeled this after. Okay, so this has the air injection system, just like the original. You all probably know what air injection is. It's like a filtration system. It helps. It's the beginning phase of a filtration system. This saw also has an adjustable oiler. Okay, a lot of non-pro models have no adjustable oiler. Again, this is a pro model. See right here's your. You can see where the oil adjustment is. Okay, it has the air purge ball. A lot of people mix this up with a primer ball. It's not a primer bulb. It's called an air purge. And what it does is it removes air from the carburetor and the entire carburation system for easier starting. It's where you get only fuel into the system and not air. Okay, so that's an air purge. Okay, again, so this is a pro model. So this is an all magnesium case. Now this case is magnesium. Okay, here, what can I tap on that with? See, it's a mag case, guys. So it's so light too. Let me set this back up here for you. Okay, so the 543 Husqvarna, again, what this is modeled after, has what's called an easy start system. Okay, and this is there's no exception here. So within this coil, there's an apparatus that actually makes it easier for you to start and pull. But basically, it's for minimal effort in easier starting. Now this saw here, the max RPMs is 14,500. This is a high RPM saw, okay? And it weighs under 10 pounds. They have it as 9.92 pounds. Okay, super light saw. Open up the hood. See what we got. It's about what you'd expect, I guess, from a clone. I'm not sure what a stable carb is, but that's what it says nonetheless. But you can see like the stratified system there. See the choke. Choke won't go back if you just push it. You have to actually push the lever in. I'm anxious to get this going. I want to see how it runs. So, oh, this is pretty cool for the idle. I don't believe I've ever seen that. Interesting. So, but anyway, still fully adjustable carburetor. Again, this is a model after the Pro 543. So, what do you say we start it up and see how it cuts? Hey, while I'm putting this all together, I wanted to talk to you about something real quick. I'm going to start referring all of my viewers to a new flavor of Neotec website. Okay, it's a US site, and it is really easy. I'm going to leave the website link pinned in the comments, and I'll also put it in the description. It's really easy to remember. It's neotecus.com. Okay, and if you go through that site, you're going to get the best service here in the States. I guarantee you. I'm trying to save anybody from any issues, you know, because if you have to deal with a mothership that, you know, that's overseas, and you know, it could be, there can be some some issues that take a while to resolve. Let's just be honest, okay? So it's Neotec US. So remember, Neotec is just the C on the end, not the CH. But again, I'll pin the link down in the comments, and I'll also pin it in the description. I encourage you to just go there and check it out. That site is getting ready to be completely revamped. I'm actually going to help with that. So it's going to be really basic and really simple to navigate. Okay, just what do I want? There it is. I type it, I click, I pay, and it gets shipped from the US right to your door. Okay, and there's also a service center here now. Neotec's on the move, man. They're doing all kinds of stuff. There's a big service center here, and I'll give you details to that later. But I just wanted to let everyone know that, okay? See if I can put this chain on upside down. Look, you know, it seems really decent quality. Look at the clutch. Just, I don't know, seems pretty nice to me. You can see here where it has the side covers that go straight into the transfers, where the transfers are there. So if you wanted to port one of these out, got the side covers. It's pretty cool. Anywho, let's try to put this on. So here's the guide bar. Remember, this has the adjuster on the side. Okay. I'm telling you, these chains are super nice too. I don't know if you can get a close-up of that or not. I'm telling you guys, these chains are really nice. I don't know what they're modeled after. See, they have the little oil holes, oil galleys. Come razor sharp out of the box. Also, they come with these cool little containers you can keep and put stuff in. I love these things. Anybody ever wonders, I use Echo Red Armor 2-stroke mix oil. Charles Briscoe turned me on to that, and I haven't used anything since. I used to always buy premix. Oh my gosh, it got so expensive, but you know, it's pointless, I think. On a weed eater, I think it's a great idea. Because, you know, weed eaters get stored all winter unless you live, you know, down south. And any bar oil you can find. I don't care what anybody says. Bar oil is bar oil. Just use bar oil. Don't use, like, you know, motor oil, or use motor oil or anything. The viscosity is not the same. Fill it up about halfway. Tighten these caps. They're just regular old caps. No flip caps or anything. I don't know if they made them for this model, but if they do, you can get them. Okay, let me find something to cut. We'll try to start this in real time. So I'm go ahead and try to purge the air. Choke it, and pull it just a little bit. Okay. Tuning screwdriver. Oh, this has the dogs. I forgot to put them on. Just to let you know. Aren't those just sweet?